Seven Colors of a Rainbow. Written by Caren Echesa. Illustrated by Breytenbach. Published by African Storybook Initiative. What are the seven colors of a rainbow? 1. Red. He wears a red shirt. 2. Orange. What is orange in this picture? 3. Yellow. What is yellow in this picture? 4. Green. What is green in this picture? 5. Blue. What is blue in this picture? 6. Indigo. What is indigo in this picture? 7. Violet. Violet is the best color. What color do you like? What are the seven colors of a rainbow?